Hey everyone, today we'll be solving 1.7.6. Now at first glance it looks very complicated. It's very wordy, no numbers. Looks intimidating at first, but I'll show you that it's very easy. So we have that a independent nation named, sorry for the pronunciations, but Falkvinus has a currency called Britarg. The inflation is 100%. Okay, and then we have that Canada, that one I can pronounce. Their inflation is 14%. So very big inflation rate in this country or nation. So we have that a Canadian investor earns interest on Canadian dollars at an annual rate of 18%. So we'll write that the interest rate that they can get is 18% if they invest. And then it asks what's the effective annual rate an investor earns in this nation for his real rate of interest to match the real rate of Canadian. So the real rate of Canada has to equal the real rate of Falk. Okay, so this is very simple if you know the equations. So we have that 1 plus I, so this is very important. 1 plus I equals 1 plus I real, the real interest rate, times the 1 plus inflation rate. I don't know why it's R, but this is the inflation rate. So if we plug things in, so we'll start with Falkvinus. We don't have I. We don't have a real, which is what we're trying to solve, but we do have the inflation rate, which is 1, basically, from here. So it's just 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 and 1. Okay, now we do Canada. Inflation rate is 14% with I equals 18%. So here it would be 1 plus 0.18 equals, we don't know the real figure here, but we can easily solve it after filling in the inflation rate, which is 14%. So 1.18, and then we divide 1.14 to it. So using our calculator, 1.18 divided by 1.14 gives us 1.035. Okay, so 1.0, put it right here, 1.035 equals 1 plus I real. Okay, so we found the real interest rate because it wants us to have the same real rate of interest. So we plug this in here to get 1.035, and then the inflation rate, which is 2, from here. We're going to use this equation back here, 1.035, and then now we can solve for 1 plus I. So if we do that, we get that I equals 1.0701, or 107-ish 0.01%. And this is the right answer.